Hello and welcome back. I get this question a lot, which is how do I get other people to join in my stream? Even though you can hear their voice, you can't see them, but somehow I get their camera capture on with me. The easiest way, and sorry about my mic, I've been trying to fix it, but it's causing problems. The easiest way to do it, okay, whether you're using OBS StreamLabs or you're using OBS Studio, okay. For this one here, we're going to use StreamLabs as our main uh, video play. So you have your game set up, obviously. You already have your camera in here. And you're like, well, I have two other friends that join me. I want to add them in here as well with their video feeds. How do I do it? Well, here's the easiest way to do it. You hit the plus sign here, and when this window pops up, you all you have to do is go down to window capture. And if you're in Discord, this is the easiest way to do it is if you're in Discord. With Discord, you have to do is you have to go into your chat where all you guys are at and pop out the video feeds from that chat, either the avatars or video. You pop them out. Get is something like this. Okay. What this here does is so you go general, which is what we have right now. It can be whatever it is. You're gonna get this screen, and you everybody who's in that chat. Okay. The way to add these people to your game, you hold down the left alt, and then all you have to do is just modify by clicking on any of the white boxes. You can even click on the corner box here. I guess that one ain't going to do it. Okay, don't listen to me on that one, but the top, left, right, and bottom, you can isolate their camera feed with. As long as nobody comes into this chat now and nobody leaves this chat, you'll have the video feed. That you can take it off to the side, lower it down. Now you have their video feed over. And now my friend Rich, who I was going to use, he just left. So now you can see that their screen kind of went, now it's split between the two. This happens, you have to do the whole process again. If you're going to only do one or two people, you can set up multiple windows to do this. But you can now separate it back out again. You have to set it up for that person again. Left, so back out, and now you got that person again. Create multiple different scenes so that way there you have multiple different people. That's what I do with Discord. I have it set up for up to 5 different people to join me, so we can all be together on screens. The easiest way to do that is to actually have a few people join you and then set it up while you're with them. But you can set up multiple screens. So if you want to set up another person, same concept. You go here, you go capture, add source. Make sure you're going back into Discord again. And now this time here, you go ahead and minimize out by grabbing it like that, but by grabbing the white box, grab that, and then again, you bring it down, you adjust its size. Now, if you're sitting there playing a game, you'll have the two other people on there. I use OBS Studio. It's easier with the chroma key to get rid of the green background. For a green screen, I have a physical one that's somewhat behind me, but during the process of resetting everything, I'm using what is called XSplit, and XSplit gives a virtual screen. That's why half my arm keeps cutting off, is because the program is trying to determine where I am, which is kind of funny because I'm a big fat guy, so you kind of think that it would automatically, catch my arms and see them. It's not like I'm skinny like a toothpick, but it does a decent job at creating a green screen behind you. If you have a physical one that is behind you, this is my chair right behind me, so it's catching the chair as well. Um, but if you have a green screen behind you, you don't have to use this kind of thing. Just, you know, edit out the green screen. That's it. That's how you run multiple people. And the only other downfall to this here is that when somebody starts their cam or turns off their cam, it's going to first off adjust everybody's position. Secondly, you have to go Alt Tab back over to the Discord feed, get that feed, click on it, make sure it's active again, so that way there it catches the video feed, and then it will put them back in. That's the only time that OBS will catch up with what's going on. Otherwise, it will not capture it. You have to actually go back to Discord every time somebody turns on their cam and let it restart that stream again. That's the only downside to this. But other than that, hopefully it helps you guys out. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you on it. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell because I do try and upload content whenever I can. And if you want me to do any other types of videos, if it's something I know how to do, I will do it. If you want to join us in gameplay, we try to live stream as much as possible on our BGC channel. Other than that, you know, may this help you guys out. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day and happy gaming.